we were looking to get a yard that our dog didn't make a mess in, and he was, as he is right now, he was a runner, and he would go from side to side and had a trench and was pretty much barren and dirt, and my wife was not very happy with that, so we decided to see if there was another alternative, and we started exploring it, and that's what we came up. We had some artificial turf in a spot previously, and it seemed to work, so this seemed like an alternative, and it made sense to us. The crew that was out here was good. They worked diligently, and it seemed like they knew what they were doing, and it all made sense as they were going along, just watching them. So,
considering your experience with having artificial turf in the past installed by a less experienced company, how does this compare?
There's no comparison. So I actually made the comment to my wife, I was, "Oh, that's how you install this stuff," you know. So it really is. You don't see any seams. You don't see any flaw. I mean, I don't see any flaws. I wouldn't know a flaw when I saw it. If I did, I'd certainly report it. But I haven't seen any, and it's really done what we wanted to have done.